Package dimensions: 16.51 L by 1.02 H by 10.92 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.15 pounds. Country of origin: China. Tested for function in a real-world environment. Top reviews from the United States. Pacificas are special and will cost you more. Here's the situation. You bought an aftermarket radio for your Chrysler Pacifica. You bought the install kit that includes the faceplate, the antenna adapter, and the standard 70-6502 wiring hardness for modern Chrysler vehicles. You go to hook everything up, and get no audio from your new head unit. You investigate and see that instead of standard speaker wires coming out of the Pacifica's in-dash harness, there are two twisted pairs of wires heading back to the amplifier, which is under the rear seat. Now many Chrysler vehicles have an amplifier, especially ones with infinity sound systems. You just need to get harness number 70-6503, which replaces the speaker wires with RCA Plus that hook up to the head unit's RCA outs, right? Not so fast. The amp in the Pacifica is not a standard Chrysler amp, and will not take the RCA output either. The amp uses an audio bus from the head unit and transmits encoded audio to the amplifier, where it mixes with the audio from the built-in navigation system and/or backup warning system, if you have them installed.